Regulations in the pharmaceutical industry ensure patient safety, quality, and efficacy of drugs. They enhance market trust, promote transparency, and encourage innovation. They also prevent drug misuse and mandate post-marketing surveillance, thereby protecting public health and maintaining high standards in medicine production and distribution. A regulation is a binding legislative act. It must be applied in its entirety across all relevant entities. For example, 21 CFR Part 210 and 211 and Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and Rules 1945. Regulations are enforced by a regulatory body and non-compliance can result in legal consequences. However, a regulatory guideline is not legally binding and is meant to help organizations understand and achieve compliance with the regulations. The guideline outlines recommended best practices, providing advice and direction to meet regulatory requirements. For example, ICH guidelines, PICS guidelines, etc. In this video, we will provide a brief overview of key pharma regulations, regulatory authorities and guidelines. In the US, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, governs the regulation relevant to food, drugs, medical devices, radiopharmaceuticals, biological products, cosmetics and good manufacturing practices, GMP. Key pharmaceutical regulations include the Food, Drugs and Cosmetics Act, Drug Price Control Act also known as Hatch-Waxman Act, and the Medical Device Amendments 1976. GMP is anchored by the CGMP, stipulated in the 21 CFR, ensuring product quality consistency. For medical devices, the Quality System Regulation sets similar standards. Biologics, like vaccines and gene therapies, fall under the Public Health Service Act. To foster innovation, the Orphan Drug Act incentivizes drug development for rare conditions, and the PRA and BPCA ensure pediatric drug testing is relevant to children's experiences. Lastly, MedWatch, an FDA-run system, facilitates reporting of adverse events related to drugs and devices. The regulatory landscape in these sectors is intricate, with specialized teams often overseeing compliance. 21 CFR Part 210 sets the overall tone, emphasizing the need for CGMP in various aspects of drug production, from its manufacturing to its holding. 21 CFR Part 211 delves into the specifics. Each subpart, from A to K, touches on critical aspects of drug production, from how personnel should be trained and the facilities maintained, to how equipment should be designed and cleaned, how components and final products should be controlled and tested, the meticulous documentation required, and even how returned or salvaged drug products should be handled. In the EU, pharmaceuticals and medical devices are regulated primarily through directives and regulations such as Regulation (EC) No. 726/2004, which centralizes medicinal product authorization and establishes the European Medical Agency (EMA). The Medical Devices Regulation (MDR) EU 2017/745 and In Vitro Diagnostic Medical Devices Regulation IVDR EU 2017/746 are newer frameworks for device categorization and safety. GMPs are outlined in Directive 2003/94, EC and Udril Volume 4. Biologics, like gene therapies, fall under the Advanced Therapy Medicinal Products (ATMP) regulation. Pharmacovigilance directives oversee post-marketing surveillance, while other regulations, such as the Falsified Medicines Directive, combat counterfeit medicines. In United Kingdom, the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency (MHRA) enforces the Human Medicines Regulations 2012, the Veterinary Medicines Regulations 2013, and Medical Devices Regulations 2002, ensuring the safety and effectiveness of healthcare products. In Japan, the Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency (PMDA) is responsible for conducting reviews of new drugs and medical devices, overseeing post-marketing safety, and providing relief services for adverse health effects under Japan's Pharmaceutical and Medical Device Act. In China, the National Medical Products Administration (NMPA) is responsible for enforcing the Drug Administration Law of the People's Republic of China, controlling drug distribution, and ensuring drug quality. In India, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization (CDSCO) enforces the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and Rules 1945, overseeing the quality of drugs and cosmetics, approval of new drugs, and regulation of clinical trials. In Canada, Health Canada, through the Therapeutic Products Directorate, TPD, enforces the Food and Drugs Act and regulations, regulating the marketing and manufacturing of drugs and health products to ensure their safety, efficacy, and quality. In Australia, the Therapeutic Goods Administration, TGA, enforces the Therapeutic Goods Act 1989, ensuring the safety and efficacy of therapeutic goods that are imported into, supplied in, or exported from Australia. In Brazil, the National Health Surveillance Agency, ANVISA, enforces Law No. 9782, which defines the sanitary control of the production and marketing of products and services subject to sanitary surveillance, including pharmaceuticals. In South Africa, the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority, SAHPRA, enforces the Medicines and Related Substances Act 1965, overseeing the regulation of health products, clinical trials, and the marketing of medicines. The regulations vary across countries, with each nation setting its specific requirements to ensure drug safety, efficacy, and quality. While there are commonalities, differences in local guidelines necessitate to tailor compliance strategies according to the jurisdiction.